Hola a todos, hi everyone, how you doing? Today I bring you 10 ways to use the word tomar, which usually means to take, but there are different ways to use it. So let's see them. Number 1, tomar un café, to have a coffee, to drink a coffee. Next one, tomar algo, to have something to eat or to drink. Tomar medicamentos, to take medicine. Tomar fotos, to take pictures. Tomar el sol, to sunbathe. Tomar notas, to take notes. Tomar una decisión, to make a decision. Tomar el pelo. This is an expression that means to trick somebody. In English, you have the one is like to pull the wool over your eyes when you trick somebody with lies and tricks. So in Spanish, tomar el pelo, it's like to take somebody's hair. Next one, tomarse un descanso, to take a break or a rest. This is reflexive, tomarse, oneself. Tomarse la tensión, which means to check the blood pressure. Alright, so those are 10 ways to use the word tomar. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, adios.